People have been stopping me to ask me my hair care routine, and babes, I'm gonna lie. Hello, I'm a Libra, it's in my blood, but no, I'm gonna send this video because honestly, this was accomplished in less than 20 minutes, and you can do it too without having to do everything that I did and get the same compliments, boo. Hey guys, it's Nessa or Nessa Elisson, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I basically did a sew-in in less than 20 minutes and cut this hair, customized it, and this was under $100, and you really don't have to spend anything more than just buying the hair. So if you guys want to know hair details, like, I'll let you guys in on that as well, but this is a wig and I'm very excited to show you how I got it to look so natural. Okay, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I did something. I impulsively, first of all, zip it in the bud. I did something very impulsive. I've been actually contemplating on this for a couple months now, and yesterday I saw a TikTok and I decided to go on ahead and purchase this wig. It's a wig that I often would go against because I feel like it wouldn't work for me or it wouldn't work for my hair. But you know what? We're gonna put that to the test today. I mean, not really a test. I'm gonna make it fit my head. Like, it's gonna work. This is the first wig that I've bought with my own money with no reimbursement or no type of payment or anything like that. So I am super nervous. Under here, I have 2 braids in the front. I do want to do one like in the middle because I realize this is a U part and I didn't think of that. I'm basically going to be doing this in a sew-in matter. So I'm gonna be using needle and thread, but let's see the hair first because I definitely need to prep it and stuff like that. So we'll see what it looks like. So it's still in the Amazon box. Honestly, I have not seen this whatsoever. I don't know what to expect. Let's see. I did get it from Nadula Hair, and they usually have really bomb hair. Like, this is one brand I've never worked with, but I've always wanted to. So Nadula, if you want to sponsor me, send me another U-part wig if this one doesn't work for me. But we're not even putting that in the air. Just send me another one. Anywho, this is the box. So it is from Nadula, and it is a V part. Okay, not U part. V part in 18 inches. I'm super nervous, but here we go. This is human hair. So this is what the wig looks like from just inside the package, and just from looking over here, it looks very thick. So I'm actually like, I have some high hopes. The other things it comes with, ooh, it comes with some false nails, period. Is this a headband or a wig band? Because there's no lace. Okay, whatever. So it comes with, you know, wig cap. This is way too light for me, but it's pretty thin. Oh my gosh, look at the wig cap they gave me. This is like the HD, well, it says HD, but it's like the thin one. Like, you can see if you look on this corner right here, like, you can see how thin it is. Yeah, it's a wig band, so you can lay lace. I don't have lace today, but thank you again. I will be keeping that. And it comes with some false nails, and these are not like stuff I would wear, but they're not ugly. They're pretty okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry because it's so beautiful already. Looks like, guys, this is looking very promising. I don't like all that friction in the back of my head. So yeah, I'm gonna take that off, and then it also has, you know, this lace in the back, which I don't understand why it's there. But what I could do, now that I know there's lace in the back, I could cut that excess lace, and let's say like I need to bring the hair in a little tighter, I could like sew these tracks onto the hair. It comes with these 1, 2, and 3, and then it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm unbraiding this middle section because I clearly forgot. Basically, I'm gonna braid that back like so, and my braid pattern really doesn't make too much sense, and then the back looks like that. But I'm gonna show you guys like the vision that I have in my head, because I just feel like it's gonna come to life for real. I don't know how to breathe, but anyways, so I have these two to the side and this one in the middle. The wig just a little bit, so I cut off that excess lace I was telling you guys about in the back. I cut off the adjustable straps because those also irritate the back of my neck, and so this is what it looks like now. And I took the adjusting band, this one, I took that off as well. I need to do like this, but I just feel like it's not gonna work, y'all. Like, what do you guys think? I don't know, should I try it? I'm gonna try it off camera, basically just sewing the wig cap on, and if I don't like it, I'll just take it off. I've threaded it through, and okay, it's getting a little, okay, good. So I'm gonna chub. We'll see how this goes. There was literally only two things driving me in this moment: faith and the wanting to see it through. Because this was so impulsive, I didn't have time to go to the beauty supply store to get the correct products, but we did what we could with a wig cap, and I think we did pretty good. I know it's a lot of sewing, but like, trust me, this is just how it's gonna work. I'm gonna cut this part out first though. Okay, it fits pretty well actually. So yeah, it should be like right here, right about. That feels like a good placement. Just to hold the hair back. And we're gonna start sewing down. Okay, we got it through. I'm not going to sit here and pretend I know the sciences of sewing because I am not a seamstress. That was my grandmother. But I just want to make sure that this is like tight on my head, like not tight to the point it's uncomfortable, but secure, that I know it's not moving, but still not like ripping my hair out if I need to take this out. I have sewed this whole part down. It is not moving, but I sewed that whole part down. So now I'm gonna do the sides, and I don't think I'm gonna do this area. I'm just gonna do the back. I know I said I was gonna sew like past the ear, but like, what was the point anyway? I just want to be rebellious. The thing is, I want this to be secure, so I'm going to sew to the ears. If you don't want to, well, that's your, you know, that's your prerogative, whatever. YOLO, live for yourself. But I did go all around until I basically ran out of thread, and then, I mean, I just put some more thread into the needle when I needed more. And I did the whole head, literally whole circumference. Should I cut the layers first? Maybe I should cut the, yeah, I should cut the layers first. Cut them like in this way, but then straight up. So it could be layered. Okay, that's working. Just a little bit more. Like that. So you like drag it basically towards your face in a slanted motion and cut straight up. And then the same for the other side. You drag it up to your peak of your ear, roughly. Oh. And you want to tie it. And cut vertically. Let's do like right here. Period. stretch and cut vertically. Okay, those are nearly the same length. Now I'm gonna style my hair. I'm gonna do this side first, just cause it's a little easier for me. I'm gonna do gel and patterns mousse. Put some gel, and then find some mousse. We're gonna take a piece of hair from like relatively close, and we're gonna kind of just braid it, twist it in like that. And then slide it down. That's basically what I'm gonna do for this whole section. So if you've made it this far, you already know the hair is from Nadula, but I will put extra details in the description box below. At the end of the day, I am an artist and I like to see things through. Therefore, I started off with wanting a middle part, but then I was like, that's not really realistic because the hair doesn't fully match my hair texture, but it matches it enough to do a side part. So I took that middle part and braided it down, and then because you know the hanging braid, I didn't like, who wants that? So I crocheted the end of the braid until I could not see the end of that braid anymore, and then I sewed a track onto it, which was a track that I took from the back of the wig, and then I basically tossed it over, like flip over method, literally, and that's how I achieved my side part. You'll see if you're a visual learner. Let's just lines. There's like little. While I battle with the consequences of my impulsive decisions, I'm going to tell you about this wig. So I got it on Amazon, so I'll have it in my Amazon storefront once I build it again, which I'll try and have up by the time I have this video up. But it is a 4C Afro curly V-part wig. It is a half wig. It claims that it is beginner friendly, 150% density. It is in the natural color, and before I cut it, which is like this state that you're seeing it in right now, it is 18 inches. After I cut it, I don't know, it's just layered. I don't know how, I never measure my wigs. They could sell me a 10 inch and I would believe it was a 20 inch. Not quite literally, but like, you know, literally. Anywho, this is what I was talking about when I said I would braid and then put a track right on top. This is literally what I meant. And you want to make sure that track that you got from the back of your head has no lace on it, because it tends to try and stick. But I wouldn't do it this way. Although I did do it this way, I wouldn't recommend to do it this way because I feel like it could get knotted in your hair, especially if you're leaving this in for a long time. So let's do, and then we could use some gel because I don't have that much hair control left. I haven't done a side part in so long, so like, oh, I'm kind of nervous. Like it's just gonna like kind of, like when it sweats out, it might be like the perfect amount of hold. So yeah, I'm just gonna do like that. We could kind of like roll it maybe. Now, so just like I do with my natural hair, I'm just gonna clip it and then clip it here as well. All right, you guys, so it has been hours later really, And this is how the hair turned out. Look at the juicy curls. Like,